Hello traders, welcome to this video. Today, we'll be diving into the Multi-EMA Combination Indicator by BCB Elevate, a powerful tool designed to help you analyze trends, identify trading opportunities, and make smarter decisions in the market. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know. 1. How to implement it on your chart. 2. How to use it effectively. 3. How to set up alarms for key signals. 4. And how it's different from the regular EMA indicators. Let's get started. First, let's talk about how to implement this indicator on your TradingView chart. Open your chart on TradingView and click on the Indicators button at the top. In the search bar, type Multi-EMA Combination by BCB Elevate. Select it from the list and apply it to your chart. That's it. You'll now see up to 6 exponential moving averages, or EMAs, displayed on your chart. Each EMA is color-coded for better visualization. Next, let's look at how to customize the indicator for your strategy. Click on the settings icon for the indicator. You'll see options to input the lengths of up to 6 EMAs. For example, you can set EMA 1 to 10, EMA 2 to 20, and so on, depending on whether you want to track short-term or long-term trends. Below that, you can customize the colors for each EMA. This helps you easily differentiate between them on the chart. Finally, enable or disable specific alerts based on your needs. We'll cover this in detail shortly. Now that we've added and customized the indicator, let's talk about how to use it effectively. The Multi-EMA combination helps you analyze market trends by showing how different EMA levels interact. When shorter EMAs, like EMA 10 and EMA 20, cross over longer EMAs, it often indicates bullish momentum. Conversely, when they cross under, it signals bearish momentum. This multi-level approach is far more comprehensive than using a single EMA, as it gives you a broader view of market trends across different time frames. With 6 EMAs, you can identify short-term pullbacks, mid-term reversals, and long-term trend directions, all on one chart. Let's move on to setting up alarms. Alerts are one of the most powerful features of this indicator, as they notify you of key market movements in real time. Here's how to set them up. Right-click anywhere on the chart and select Add Alert. In the Conditions drop-down, choose the Multi-EMA Combination Indicator. You'll see options like EMA 1 crossing EMA 2 or EMA 1 crossing both EMA 2 and EMA 3. Select the crossover or crossunder condition you're interested in, and customize the alert message. For example, EMA 1 just crossed EMA 2, possible by signal. Finally, choose your alert frequency. We recommend once per bar close to avoid unnecessary noise. And that's it. You'll now get instant notifications whenever the crossover or crossunder conditions are met. So, why should you use the Multi-EMA Combination Indicator? Here's a quick summary. Up to 6 EMAs. Track multiple trends simultaneously. Custom alerts. Get real-time notifications for key signals. Enhance decision-making. Identify entry and exit points more accurately. Fully customizable. Tailor it to your strategy with adjustable lengths and colors. Multi-level trend analysis. Gain deeper insights compared to basic indicators. This makes the Multi-EMA combination a powerful addition to your trading toolkit. If you haven't already, add this indicator to your TradingView chart now. You can find it by searching Multi-EMA Combination by BCB Elevate. The link is also in the description below. Thank you, BCB Elevate, for creating such a fantastic tool that benefits the trading community. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more trading tips and tutorials. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.